It's Fun Adventure Day. Who knows what will happen? Grenada, Grenada, Grenada. What a fun place you are. One never runs out of things to do in this beautiful country. We're at the beach. Thanks for the invitation. She's frozen. I thought you were taking a photo. The people are friendly and welcoming, and the Caribbean food is unique and oh so yummy. Spice Island, as Grenada is called, is a true Caribbean jewel. There is so much to do on this tiny little island. The problem is fitting it all in.
They would pay extra for this.
I promise my feet are clean. Well. After the road winds steeply up to an elevation of 1,900 feet, we came to Grand Etang National Park. We are very excited about monkeys. Oh yeah, monkeys. Gonna get some monkeys. Gonna find, I feel it. I feel monkeys inside me. I feel monkeys in my blood. I'm gonna chase them monkeys. Don't throw poo at me. It's like, fine, give it to me. But you're not gonna watch me eat.
That's the best option.
Oh Lord, okay. It smells like monkey balls. Oh, not that I know what monkey balls smell like.
We are the monkey whisperers. It's probably because of you. It's probably all you. I caught whiffs of that monkey's junk for the rest of the day. I really wanted to see a monkey, but maybe, just maybe, that was a bit too close. A Grenadian hash is one of the most awesome experiences about Grenada. My first hash.
Virgin.
First you drink.
We start it. That's about it.
If you wear new shoes, better watch out.
They're not even new.
You're gonna have to drink out of it.
I'm too old for this hazing.
Do it, Michelle. Oh. You're a hash virgin. You got an extra little surprises in store for you.
Oh, hey, how are you?
Ready? You ready for this? You ready for this? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
I'm not ready. The hashes start out in one location and usually end up in the same location. But each week, the hash location changes. It goes from waterfalls to sometimes you're going through the streets of a town, always through the jungle, and always, always, always fun. Going uphill. Still.
I think this road only goes up.
Only goes up. It's gonna go up even more. Oh, Lord. Jeremiah, what are they doing up there?
Currently throwing up.
We had two of our best boat buddies, Jeremiah and Brittany, from Lazy Gecko Sailing. They are the best people to do a hash with.
Troopers.
All right, which way are we going now? I am! Woo, good job! So much dirt. Yeah, so much dirt. I cannot believe you still got your phone in your hand. These are the moments.
We are hash buddies now.
We are hash buddies. And it is not what we thought a hash was.
It's really freaking hard. But it's fun. Like, I love it. It's fun.
It is fun.
It's a good time. I feel like I'm going into the Grenada jungle.
I know.
Yeah.
What?
Now we just turn around and go on back up.
This is my face. Oh shit. Going back up?
Stab something, yeah.
Oh crap.
I'm looking for a potty spot. I don't think it's gonna happen unless it's like a public.
Look, there's some
a
big
public-
bamboo right there.
Yeah, dodge
But
in
then
and dodge
it
out.
would be
No.
my luck. My pants were down, and then I'd fall off the cliff. And I'd have to call the paramedics in my pants. I know. Seriously, that's my life.
You guys are silly for doing what you did.
You are not a goat. There's the paper that shows you're on the right trail. It's a goat block. We're going through the jungle, we're going through the streets, now we're back on the beach. Back in the jungle again. Walking up again.
Breaking into my beer drinking time. That's right.
Talk about it. We finished.
We finished.
Did it.
In the beginning, I was like, I don't know when you're gonna start. But halfway through, I was like,
Any
I can do
alcohol
this.
burned off. It's
Yeah.
gone. But
I know.
at the end of the rainbow, there's more.
We worked ourselves sober.
We're gonna fix that sober part. Through the bush and the brush, and then you end up back drinking and eating at the end of the hash. It is a blast.
I'm a virgin. The only time I've ever said that. I haven't said it in a long time.
1, 2, 3.
That was a bad trick. That wasn't good.
I got a little stuff in my eye. I got shot. Money shot came in my eye.
Yeah, you might want to take a picture of that.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks to our Patreon supporters, we are still making the fun videos that our fans love. If you'd like to join our Patreon group, just click the link right here. You will get access to stuff that we just don't share with YouTube. The Charter Life TV is moving on up and showing all of our videos round the clock on all kinds of streaming channels. They also have a premium membership, which not only includes uncensored videos from both us and other YouTube stars, but access to over 900 yacht clubs, rental of a fleet of sailboats, and now they offer classes. You can check all of that out right here. Just click the link. Please subscribe, both on YouTube and on our website. And come back for more fun from the Krabby Captain and the Sunny Sailor. Hope to see you soon.